Yo, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. I just thought I'd take a minute to show you how to create this user credit balance in the menu at the top. It's quite simple to do, you see. I'm just building out this demo site for our plugin FastCredit Pro, and I'm just adding this up here, and it's using the Astra theme and a shortcode that we provide. So if I show you inside the WordPress dashboard in the plugin settings, just come here, FastCredit Pro, so you can find the settings on this dedicated FastCredit Pro menu, right? And if we go to the Shortcodes tab, we can copy this shortcode here, and it's basically just FWC_amount. And then if we go back to our site and we want to put it up here, so we're going to use the customizer in Astra. And what this is going to do is let us customize the header. So I want to go to the header builder. If we open the header builder, you can see here we've got these three blocks. Just move myself out of the way here. So down here is where we're building the header. So you can see on this side we've got the site logo, the site title and the logo. And on this side we've got the menu and then this HTML block. So in the HTML block, that's where I've added this credit balance. So you can see if I move this up here, just drag and drop up there, we can reposition it where we want it. Or we could put it in the middle or wherever, right? So I want it back there, so I'm going to put it here. And if we just click on that block, you can see here we've got the shortcode, but we've also got that text just directly before it. So the shortcode is just going to spit out the number. That's purely all it's going to do. If I just delete that text, it's just going to show a number that's reflecting the balance of the user that's currently logged in. Right? If your user's not logged in, it's going to show 0. So depending on how you want to configure your site, you may not want them to see credits or not, but that's up to you to deal with. But this is simply to show the credit balance. So you may want to call them tokens, you may want to call them credits. If you want to call them credits, just change it to credits, right? And then we can bold it. So I've bolded that. We could change the color. Whatever you wanted to do, right? So I'm just going to keep it normal here. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty straightforward. We're just going to publish that, close that out, and it's going to be there on every page refresh, so it's in line with the menu. So wherever the menu shows, this credit balance is going to show. I'm also going to point out that in the My Account section there is already a creditor balance, so this is always displayed. That can be hidden using CSS, which I'll cover in another video. But for now, I just thought I'd make a quick video just to show you how to display the credit balance here or anywhere on the site, because you could use a shortcode in the sidebar, you could use it in the footer. And yeah, it just gives you a bit more customization so that your customers and users know how many credits they have available. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see just to keep reminding you. And also, if you've got a comment, leave a comment, and if you've got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.